In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Zoho CRM. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to refresh your memory, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your contacts with ease and efficiency. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. You can do this by opening your browser and going to the Zoho CRM website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that gives you an overview of your CRM activities. This is your central hub for managing everything, from leads and deals to contacts and reports. Now, let's move over to where the magic happens. Look to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find various options including leads, accounts, and of course, contacts. Click on the Contacts tab. This will take you to a new page where you can see all your existing contacts listed in a neat format, along with any recent activities related to them. It's a great way to keep track of who you're in touch with and any follow-up actions that might be needed. Once you're on the Contacts page, it's time to add a new contact. To do this, look for the Create Contact button. It's usually prominently displayed to make it easy for you to start adding new entries. Clicking this button will open up a form where you can input all the relevant information about the contact you wish to add. This form is your opportunity to enter details such as the contact's name, email address, phone number, and any other pertinent information that might help you in managing your relationships effectively. As you fill out this form, take advantage of any additional fields that Zoho CRM offers. These might include company details, job title, or even custom fields that your organization might have set up. The more information you include, the more valuable and complete your CRM becomes. It's also worth double-checking all the details for accuracy before you save the contact, as this can prevent any miscommunication or errors down the line. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the form. Click this, and voila! Your new contact is now part of your Zoho CRM database, ready for you to interact with when needed. And there you have it. Adding contacts in Zoho CRM is straightforward once you know where to go and what to do. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your contacts are organized, up to date, and easily accessible, helping you maintain excellent relationships with your clients and colleagues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.